like to be back. You excited?
Excited!
Show them over there, okay?
Going in for early park admission.
Or anybody with
Happy to have you. Welcome. Yes, come on in.
Man, we haven't done a lot of this since last September. Getting excited. What's up? We're adding Universal to our videos. Kind of excited. We're gonna try to head over and get on Fast and the Furious.
Yeah.
Supposedly they're doing a preview, so we're gonna head over there and
Watch out for the pigeon.
check out
Watch
Universal.
out for the and lucky for us, we didn't know it was an early admission. We just came early to get our passes and our tickets,
Watch the
but
puddle. Big puddle. Apparently it rained this morning and last night.
it's also early admission, so it's like a bonus.
Especially if we can get over there and get on the ride.
Yeah.
The first thing we do after becoming annual pass holders is do Fast and the Furious.
Yeah.
I'm excited. Let's head over there and see if we can get on. We were denied this time.
Denied.
Well, as we walk through here, I just talked to, is it a cast member here? I don't know. They said noon. So we have a few hours to wait. So we might as well head where? Diagon Alley?
I couldn't remember what it was called.
Diagon Alley. Oh, you almost wore a Krusty the Clown shirt today too, didn't you? No? Look at this. Have you ever noticed that goblin up there? Sounds just like Bill Weasley.
He does, doesn't he?
Yeah. We didn't get on Fast and the Furious because that's noon, but we're going on Escape from Gringotts.
These guys are a little creepy.
I want to hear him talk again because I know he sounds just like Bill Weasley.
Some of them believe, but they're all regretting it.
Chumps! They're dumb and they're brutal!
Welcome to Gringotts. Perfectly safe, as you can see. Hey, good morning, how are you doing? We've got the Horcrux. You really need to get out of here.
think it's about time to have a... You know that's my favorite. So I believe that's your first butterbeer in a while. What'd you think at Gringotts? I like that ride.
I like it. It's a good ride. We were in the very back.
Yeah.
That's a pretty steep drop.
Yeah, when you're looking down the way.
I felt like we were gonna like go over.
You don't really drop. But the first time when you go, yeah, that was a good drop. Yeah.
Yeah, it was a
the
pretty
drop
good
with the trolls. It just leans you over and you're watching on the
I
screen.
could do without the water though.
Yeah, the water. I felt the big old splash hit me right on the foot and go through my shoe. Oh my God, wizards. Now I think if I was a wizard, I would get along very well with the Weasleys. They have my sense of humor. Pumpkin cakes, cauldron cakes. Oh, that's what you used on me. What is that?
A love potion.
It works really well. What does that do?
He's shy now.
Did you squeeze him and kill him?
No, you didn't hear it?
Oh, I hear it, yeah. You want to head back to the Muggle world? Oh, we're back in London. England. Personally, I'm very glad we got annual passes.
We'll just have to
forget
bear
how
with
much-
us on this first one because we haven't been here in so long. It's like sensory overload.
Yeah, we don't know the, forgot all our tips and tricks that we used to use. But single rider,
Yeah,
It was a
forgot
good one.
that. So
we
you're-
waited 20 minutes, but it was worth the wait.
Yeah, so you're gonna learn with us.
So now we're gonna go on Men in Black and see Who 2. Yeah, we'll find out. See those right there, but what did you just call them?
I call them baby chickens.
She's like, oh, look at the baby chickens. Ducks, ducks, ducks. I think she likes the ducks. We are heading on Men in Black.
Agent 5.
Subatomic thermal disruptor that will obliterate even the largest of alien enemies. During your mission, you'll...
So close. I got the bonus at the end and beat her. How's that feel? Having...
I was so close. I had
really
you.
close,
I
yeah.
had you.
That was so close, but
Mwah.
you gotta get that bonus at the end. You you get one, it's $14.99. If you get two of them, it's $13.99. If you get three or more, $11.99. And you get free refills that day of drinks or Slurpees.
Somewhere here on the
And then when you come back with it, you pay half price. So the more you use it, I guess it's worth it. Since a drink is $3.29. You remember when this used to be Back to the Future?
We're dating ourselves.
Back to the Future was fun. This is a good ride too.
I like the baby powder.
Baby powder? Where?
In the ride.
Oh, the smell?
Yeah.
You know, we've never done Alien Tilt. Why is it the only time you ever crave hot dogs is when you're at a game or a theme park? Oh, look at that, The Simpsons. All of them but Maggie and Lisa, huh? You want to meet them? Just beer. What's up, Chief Wiggins? So how are you doing already on your first day back at Universal?
It's fun.
Can't wait to start coming more and more here.
I feel naked though.
You're used to wearing ears, huh?
Ears.
I don't know, do we have to get a lanyard like most people?
I don't know, I see a lot of them.
Yeah, I'm more to the ease of the Magic Man.
Yeah, I do. I feel naked too.
Yeah.
Primal will take you for a spin you don't want any part of. Call Toast. The enemy is formidable, highly motivated, and not easily deterred. But our task is to deny them victory. The stations in Nest and the surrounding area will provide you with all the protect the Allspark. Protect each other.
Thanks for meeting the challenge. Let's head on back.
I've always liked that ride. How about you?
It's cool. It messes with my eyes a little bit though.
Because of the 3D?
3D.
Yeah, you're not a big fan of 3D.
No.
But we just got off Transformers, so now we're going to go see if they've opened up Fast and the Furious yet.
I don't think so.
Doesn't look like it. Well, it's past noon now, and it's not open, and it's starting to rain. People are going up to take pictures up closer, but no. Oh well. Maybe next time. Thanksgiving snack boxes.
Thanksgiving snack boxes.
So you got that, and that. $40. Cool. A little sorting hat. $29. Another sorting hat. $25. I always like checking out candy sections to see what kind of different stuff they have at different places. I don't see any with peanut butter chips on it, huh? Look at that Rocky Road one. Oh, look at the Heath Park Crunch.
Yeah. Let me
Well, first day back to Universal. It was a success. We didn't get to do Fast and Furious because they kept pushing it back. So next time.
It was a short trip, but we got an awesome deal with Florida residents. If you buy an annual pass, you got 3 months free.
Ends on the 24th though, right?
Yeah.
Of April, so
So
this may be coming out after the 24th, I don't know.
So the things I'm looking forward to are the Halloween decorations and Christmas.
And when everything opens up and coming back at night to see the, we haven't seen the castle yet at night. Or we haven't seen the new water show over there, so we're gonna...
Exciting stuff to come.
Yep. So this is just another thing for our channel. Cruises, Disney, vacations, Universal now. Come along for the ride.
Yeah, bear with us at Universal because we're still...
Yeah, we haven't been here since September of last year, so it's been a little while. So we're gonna call it a day.
Thanks for watching.
Hope to see you out there.
Bye.